welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Laqueen here. So if you don't know, then now you know. So go ahead and take a moment and stop, hit that subscribe button, hit the push notifications bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video, whether it's about college, lifestyle, beauty, hair, makeup, vlogs, or anything else I feel they need to share. So I'm wearing pink to match my nails. Y'all, I don't know. Let me get up close. Because, like, look at that. Look, do you see that? Do you see that? Y'all, I did that myself. I did this myself. Look how cute. This is my first time doing my nails. And I used the PolyGel Kit that I got for Christmas. Yes, Christmas is like December 25th, and this is the beginning of the month. Like, Sharon, what are you talking about? But early Christmas present for me by me. But y'all, like, look at this. My nails are so cute. I did this to myself. This is my first time. So I'm just gonna show you guys how I did that. I'm gonna say bear with me because I might be out of the camera here and there. Because I kind of was like doing some things like up close, because I was trying to make sure like I wasn't messing up too bad. And this is my first time, so it's kind of like a beginner's guide. You know, trial and error. Y'all gonna go through it with me. But yeah, like, it's so cute. Too cute. So let's get right into that video. Hey guys, so this is the little packaging. I got this off of Amazon. It finally came in. This is a PolyGel kit. It's from Beetles Gel Polish Extend Your Nails in Seconds Nail Extension Gel Kit. So I just opened it, just a little size, and it's such a cute little box. So take this off, and a little manual for the nail lamp, and then for the PolyGel nail kit. That's basically what this is. It's just showing me everything that comes in the kit, and then here's like an application guide, basically an instruction manual, and it seems to be very thorough. Yeah, very thorough. Okay, so this looks, oh, these are the little nail file things that you use. This looks like the little nail lamp. Bear with me. I'm opening this with one hand. Like, look how nice that is. It has a go on and off, 30 seconds, 60 seconds, and 120 seconds. And then I actually saw this from another YouTuber, which made me get it, and it said it has like an auto hand feature, so you don't necessarily have to turn it on and off. Here's the little power cable connector cord for the lamp, and you just insert that in the back there. And then here are the 3 different PolyGels. So it's clear, white, and light pink. So, and like, it looks like a lot of gel in here in this kit. And then I'm gonna open up these boxes and then come back with them. I opened the little boxes and then I opened this up and took the stuff out. So basically what was in the little boxes, you have the slip solution, PolyGel nail liquid, the nail strengthener. To top it off, they have a matte top gel, so if you want matte nails, and then they have the foundation, and then they also have the glossy, so they're basically the regular top it off top gel. And then in the little bag was like a little spatula and then a brush that you use. So this is like to scoop out the gel and put it on the form, and then this is like to smooth everything out, and these are like the tops for it. And then they had some gold and silver like foil, some glitters, which are too cute, some crystals, like, look at that, or gems, the bigger ones, and then they have a whole bunch of small ones. Like, look how cute this is. And then they gave you like buku dual forms. Like, it's so many. It's like a big old stack. I swear it's like 100 of them in here. And then they came with a nail file because their branding is 100 and 180. And then it came like little foil, like the little tapes, like the little, you know, what they be using for decoration. They also gave some like foils, some flames, like some flames. Those are cute. They're fire, get it, fire. And then this is like tweezer. Is really, I think it's to like help you take off the what is it, to help you take off like the little forearms. And I probably use this to help like apply like the different decoration. But yeah, like this is so cute, and there's so much that came. Oh, I almost forgot this. They're little butterflies. Like how cute. So I definitely like all of this came in that. So I definitely will be using this very soon. I think I'm gonna go ahead and do my nails and do a quick little video. But yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna be honest. I really don't know what I'm doing. I already pretty much prepped my nails off camera. I'm just getting off any excess dust or whatnot. I'm using that kit stuff that I showed you. I'm following the directions that they have. So basically, I already prepped. So basically, I just applied thin. They said, you turn that on. So I just turned the lamp on. They say apply a thin base coat. So let me go ahead and get everything out. I don't think I want matte nails. This is the base. Okay, this is the base gel, and then this is the top gel. I should probably put that on because the lamp is right there. Don't want nothing to keep bothering up. I basically, to help prep, I use this little kit nail balance set. You probably can't really see it, but I'll show it later or insert like a little clip of the kit. This is what it came to. It's a Twist New York file on the go, power file on the go, battery operated. So I'm just using that. Yeah, I don't know. I think I might just do the light pink just for now. This is my first time doing this. So basically I'm just gonna take these out, and one of them is like curved nails and the other one is straight. I never gotten curved nails before, so I'm gonna just do straight. I'm doing short nails anyway, so this file went off the sides so it can better fit my nail. I'm gonna go ahead and do this in a time lapse. Okay, so basically I got the nails and cut them and filed them to what fits. So now I'm gonna start, I'm gonna do my thumb first. And it's gonna be light pink. So, I need to apply the base coat, base gel. Let's see, apply a thin coat. And I think I'm gonna just so now, so I really don't need too much. So you squeeze a little out. solution. Need to pour it in a little container. Okay, just making sure it's put everything in. It says pour out. I don't see. It's a brush, but I'm just going to pour a little bit of it out. Not too much, because this is a little goes a long way. And then now you take it and then you get a little, I'm just gonna dab just a little bit and then press it. Gently. This is wipe away. So I grab the paper towel. So I'm just wiping away any excess. This is my first time doing this, so bear with me. And then this is here for 30 seconds. So I'm just gonna do that for 60 seconds. Cure the front side for 60 seconds and then underneath for 30 seconds. It says I'm supposed to rock it side to side. Oh, there it goes. This is a very thick nail. I could tell already, I'm gonna be filing a lot. PolyGel is very hard. But you can see where it kind of like spaced out somewhere. So I'm gonna just go ahead and do the rest of the nails and then I'm gonna cure it at the end. So now I know I definitely need to be more careful when I apply this. So I don't need as much as I put. So the first squeeze was fine. And I just apply it. Get my little brush tool. Dab it in this slip stuff and gently pat. Oh, okay. I don't know if you can see what I'm doing, but all I'm doing is just patting it down gently compared to the last time. I forgot to apply the base coat, but it's too late now. Oh jeez, this is why. Oh no, this nail gonna pop right off. Oh jeez. Okay. Just gonna try this. Just gonna use a little bit of hand sanitizer on that one, and then just try to wipe everything back off. I'm gonna do the rest of it on time lapse, so basically off camera. So basically, I just followed my little instruction. I did it. I decided to just go ahead and just do all pink because it is my first set and I don't want to be trying to do too much. And I got other stuff to do and I still got to do my whole right hand. So, but yeah, like all of this is like super duper. Oh wait, oh. Did I do the undercoat? Let me see if I need to. Do I need to do that like one more time? I don't know. Anyways, so basically I'm just gonna file the shape down. I don't want them that long. You can see where I kind of like messed up in some spots, but this is my first set. But basically, like I noticed like, okay, when I'm pressing, I don't need as much like the slip gel, whatever, slip solution. I don't really need as much of it because it's so bright. I'm trying to get it to like, but if you look up close, you can see like that's really a pretty pink. But you can like see like on my pinky at the cuticle, like my thumb, like it's kind of like see-through, like right in that area. So yeah, you live and you learn, and I noticed like in the cuticle areas I can work on it more. But I'm just going for a basic square shape. I could, let me see. I don't know. I'm gonna test out this little attachment. I'm gonna use this one. I'm gonna try to use this one because it's like a flat, and I want like that flat square shape. So we gonna see. Is it working? I think it's working. Let me try it on the longer nail. Oh, I don't like how this little. I think it's shortening it. Y'all, I don't know if y'all saw that, but I almost took my finger out. I'm just gonna use the file, so I'm just going to file everything on a time lapse because it's gonna take a long time. Okay, so this is, oh, it's so bright. Let me see if I can get across, but this is like the finished product. I tried to like get some of the thickness from underneath there, but this nail drill, okay, it worked, but then it don't work, and I'm impatient, and this is taking too long. So, but yeah, it worked because it was much thicker underneath here. But I really don't care too much. It's my first time doing this. So I'm about to that's it for the rest of this video. I'm gonna do the other hand like another time or later or something. Or just off camera. But yeah, this is really cute. So cute. And the link to all of this stuff will be in the description box down below.